Director of Communications and Marketing right here at the city of Pflugerville. And this is PF Insider Frontline Work, Heart of the City. And today we're here at the Pflugerville Public Library. And we have Meg here with us, one of our adult librarians, to tell us all about the Pfab Lab. Of course, we spell everything with a P and an F here at Pflugerville. So what do we offer at that laboratory?
So the Pfab Lab is the library's makerspace. We have a number of pieces of equipment like laser cutters, sewing machines, embroidery machines, brother scan and cuts for like cutting vinyl or paper. We've got button making and a ton of other stuff. And it's open to the public for those who have attended trainings with us, as well as we do crafting programs in there and other library programming.
So it's all the cool equipment that people have heard about but can't afford to do, but because we have it here at the library, they can interact with that material. I'm excited to see it firsthand, so let's go take a look at it all.
Awesome.
So Meg, we're here at our first station. It looks like 3D printing, right?
Yes. So these are the Flashforge Adventure 5Ms that we have available for folks that they can work on their own prints as they come in. We also offer a print-on-demand service for things that might take a little longer to print. They're really user-friendly. Like actually, Roger, I can get you to print something right now.
Yeah, let's print something. I'm excited. You always hear about 3D printing. I've never actually had to do it.
So our second icon there is our print icon. Go ahead and tap that.
So the one down below here. Okay, so I hit that.
And then it shows all our print jobs that are loaded. Go ahead and pick that first little star there.
Oh yeah, it's like a Pflugerville star. It almost looks like something out of Mario.
Yep. Go ahead and hit that bottom green print icon.
Which is the go button.
Yes, and it will take a few minutes to calibrate itself, think it through, and then it'll begin printing. And this little star actually only takes 4 minutes to print.
Oh yeah, look, it's starting to go. And then it actually kind of feels like a nylon or a vinyl. Is that kind of what it is?
It is a plastic. So we generally print with PLA. We do also have some PETG filaments that we've used. We aren't using ABS filament currently, but yeah, they're a lot of fun.
Cool. So basically, residents just pay for the supplies, but the use of all the equipment is free.
Correct.
Oh, how fun. So let's go on to the next one.
Awesome.
So now we're here at our CO2 laser cutter. What are we gonna actually do?
So these machines have the ability to both engrave, rastering, and cut material.
Oh, very
So
cool.
we have an upcoming project for our book buzz. We're gonna be making little TBR jars, and they have cork lids, and cork engraves beautifully with these machines. So we're just gonna tag it on the top with book buzz. So if you do me the honor of opening the lid there, I've already prepped the machine. I've got it marked out where our little cork is gonna go.
It's gonna go all the way up.
Yep,
There we
and
go.
it will stay.
Okay.
If you wanna just drop that water
Right over
side
the
up.
circle?
Right in the circle.
Cool.
And you drop the lid right back down. It does have a safety feature where the laser won't fire while it is, the lid is open. And this is another one where it's very accessible to folks because there's a lot involved with laser cutting, but actually running a project, you see our little triangle icon there?
Yeah.
It's run job. You can go ahead and click that triangle and the laser will start engraving and rastering across our material.
Oh yeah, right on command. Look at that, it's going.
This is definitely one of my favorite pieces of equipment.
That's such a cool show, how the laser's like hitting it, almost like a spark.
Yes, as it engraves when it's rastering, a black and white graphic is the best for it because it will fire or not fire based on that black and white image. When we cut something, we're actually looking for a scalable vector graphic file where it's gonna follow the lines of that and either cut through material or just etch a line on there, which we could have done with this text, but.
And it looks like you can pretty much put any text or image you want,
Yes.
and it'll actually transcribe on the piece of wood or whatever you're doing automatically.
Yes. I mean, there are materials that aren't able to be used in the machine. Cutting PVC or vinyl in this would release chlorine gas, and that is not something we are here to do in the lab, so I gotta keep everybody
Keep it safe.
We definitely have some safety things that we keep in mind as we're using them. Very often, this is burning material, so when we're cutting wood or like leather, it can cut and engrave, and I like to remind folks that that is literally a skin, so there are some smells associated with it. Several times, staff have come to the door and wanted to know if the library was burning down, but no,
smells.
It's just us.
Just a laser printer.
It's actually kind of nice, personally.
Yeah, so it looks like it's done.
Yeah,
Can I
go ahead
open
and
it
lift
up
that lid.
Okay, I'm gonna lift it all the way up so it
Yep.
stays, and then
And you can just slide
grab
that
it,
right out and it's all ready.
And check that out. Book buzz. Look how precise that is. Well, that's awesome. Well, let's go to the third thing you're gonna show me.
Awesome.
This is really cool. Well, Meg, we're here at our third station. What exactly is it? It looks like some sort of printer, right?
So we call this our electronic cutting machine. They are the Brothers scan and cut machines. This is a cutter. It's able to cut or draw, and we use this for like vinyls. So those stickers you see on the back of cars, heat transfer vinyl to make shirts. It can draw, so you can ask it to draw thank you cards, other things, but we've got it set up to cut some adhesive vinyl right here. This machine is great. It's pretty quiet. So if you go ahead and hit please select there on the screen, you'll see some of the different things it's able to do. It can cut, draw, emboss. We can even foil and other things, but we're gonna cut this. Go ahead and pick that top one. All right, it's gonna think it through. It's gonna say this is only gonna take.
Sticker.
It is, yeah. So you can go ahead and hit start.
Okay, so.
And it's gonna pull that right on in.
Oh, look at
I
that.
love these machines because that scanning feature allows us to see where our material is on the mat and know that we're going right to it. This is probably my second piece of equipment, as the lasers can't cut vinyl, but making shirts, doing vinyl decals, all kinds of fun stuff. This is also our last training that has basically a producible. So when folks take this particular training to use on their own projects, they do get to walk away with one of those Pflugerville heart decals. And then again, this is another one where there's no charge to use it because folks are bringing their own material to work on. It's just the usage of the machine and the library having the machine for
That's
them.
what's so great about the Fab Lab is that people can do things they've always wanted to do but couldn't afford to do it. But because we have it here for free at the Pflugerville Public Library, they get experience to printing laser printers and 3D printers. And here's some of those stickers. That one's still going, but you can kind of pick your color.
Yes.
This was an art we had done through our Art in Public Places program, which has become kind of synonymous with the community. We've done all sorts of things with this design. So it's so cool. It's fun just to actually watch it
Right?
do its
And
thing.
you give these things a try. Maybe you decide that this is something you really want to pursue, and maybe you realize that it's not.
Yeah, or just think of the possibilities. Like I'm thinking about all the things that this one machine can do.
Yes.
Oh wow, looks like it's done.
It's all done.
Wow, that's quick. Well, Meg, thanks so much for showing me all the amazing things we can do with the Fab Lab. I had no idea, but I know we just scratched the surface. What else can residents do here free of charge?
Oh, there's any number of things. Probably chief among them are our sewing machines and our embroidery machine. I mean, we've got a specialized serger machine that folks can use, button makers, any number of tools for working on their own projects, as well as things that we use for library programming.
And it's stuff that I've always thought about, but never really could afford. And that's why it's so great to offer here at the library. Residents have access to this for free. They just pay materials.
Yes.
That's awesome. Well, thanks so much for showing me so much. It was pretty cool. And once again, thanks so much for joining us for PF Insider Frontline Work Heart of the City. Make sure you stay tuned in our next episodes as we take your eyes and ears to places you've never seen before, right here at the city of Pflugerville.